what's on TV. Hey everybody, come on over to the slime factory today. We'll make you your very own custom slime, if you want to of course, and we can show you how we make the slime using our machines, and you can watch the machines make the slime. Visit the slime factory. Whoa, that sounds awesome! I'll go tell Sarah. Sarah! Yeah, Jane? What's up? Did you see the ad on TV? No. Well, it said that there's a new slime factory open. Oh, wow! I thought we would go check it out. Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Let's go. Wait for me. Let's go. That's funny, the directions say it was right here. I think this is just an old warehouse. Whoa, it just popped out. Let's go inside. Wow! Hey! Oh, hey! We're here to check out the slime factory. Oh, well, you've come to the right place. This is the slime factory after all. I'm Linda. Right this way. Ooh. Wait for me. This is where we keep all of our ingredients for the slime. And actually, do you guys want to make some slime? Yeah, we would love to. Awesome. Okay, so we load all of these materials into our machines, and then you could just pick out the ones you want and they make it for you. Awesome! That sounds great. Yeah, I want to make my own slime. All right, right this way. All right. So, first of all, you say if you want white glue or clear glue. Actually, I think we're out of stock on clear glue, so is it okay if it's just white glue? Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so here I press this button, boop, and here comes the white glue. Wow! There's our blob of white glue. Next comes the baking soda. Here it comes. Just a small dusting. Now here comes the mixer tool. What color do you want? Blue. All right. So I press the button for blue, boop, and here comes the blue. There it is. Now it's gonna mix the blue in. That is a lot of food coming in. All right. Now let's put in the contact solution. Here it comes. Oh, I almost forgot. Do you want sand in yours? Sure, pink sand? Yeah, that's totally doable. Wait, it's mixing it up. Ooh, the slime is forming. Okay, let's add the sand now. Let's mix it in. Ooh. Takes a little while. Ooh, here come the kneaders. The kneader tools. Slime is ready. The slime is ready. Wow, my very own slime. I love it. Whoa. Ooh. Oh no, it broke. Ooh. Awesome. I'll put it over here. Oop. Can you make my slime now? Sure. Let's move to a cleaner part of the table. It's a little cleaner. So, what color do you want? I want red. Ooh, and can mine be a fluffy slime? Oh, of course! The shaving cream. I almost forgot about it. So, red, fluffy slime. Yep. Okay, here comes the glue. Let's just... Whoa, that's a lot of shaving cream. Might want to get rid of that a little bit. We have a new stirring stick. I'm just gonna scrape some of it off. Okay, now mix up the glue with the shaving cream. There we go. Now you wanted red. Yes, I wanted red. So let's get some red food coloring and start mixing it up. Ooh, also baking soda. Ooh, it looks cool. Whoa, that looks so pretty. Your slime's so pretty. Wow. Ooh, and can I put yellow sand in it as well? Of course. Here it comes. There. And mix it up. And last but not least, the contact solution. Here it comes. Ooh, it's forming into slime. You can't really see the sand in it, but it's okay. Here comes the kneaders. Ooh, this slime is really fluffy. Slime is done. There, your slime is done. I love it. It's so red and so fluffy. I love it. Let's stretch it. Whoa. These are jumbo slimes. So cool. Whoa, mine is extra stretchy. Mine isn't as stretchy, but it's still good. Whoa. Oh, wow, it's actually really stretchy. Wow, mine's a lot bigger than yours. Oh, yeah, that's probably because you added shaving cream. Yep, shaving cream makes it expand quite a bit. You should make yourself a slime. Oh, yeah, I should. I want to make myself a green slime with yellow sand. Let's do it. Wow, this slime turned out great. It's like a springtime slime. It's so pretty. Whoa. That was so cool. Ooh, I have my slime and my slime. My huge slime. That was so much fun. Thank you so much for doing the slimes with us. Yeah, it was really fun. No problem. Come back anytime you want. And tell your friends. Okay, we will. Bye. Oh yeah, let's just get our slimes. Bye. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and like for more videos, and leave below in the comments of the video that's titled a comment that I never responded to, or just search Olivia's videos and to see one which comments are enabled, and leave in the comments what you think we should do next with My Mini Mixie Qs and slime. And if you want more of these videos, leave that below in the comments as well. Okay, bye!